Welcome, today we're going to show you how to sell a PDF on Gumroad. So, the first thing that you need to do is to click on start selling. I'll see from here. After that, you need to log in with one of these accounts. Facebook, Google, Twitter, Stripe, or you can actually log in with an email address. So after you make your account from here, you need to go to products. And after that, you need to click on new product. From here, you need to click on ebook to sell your PDF. So from here you need to choose the ebook section to sell your PDF. You can name it whatever you want from here, like contract or something like that, or presentation, ebook, anything. You need to name it from here. I will name it test PDF. So you need to add the price for your PDF. The lowest that you can add as a price is $1. After that, you need to click on next. So from here you can describe your product. You can write anything about your product from here, so the person that buys from you can know what is he buying. I'll see from here you can add a cover image or something like that, and you can add a thumbnail. So after you've done with everything, you can just add the call to action like pay, buy this, I want this, or something like that. Add how many pages is there, like 10 pages, 5 pages, or something, and the amount for this, as we already priced it to $1. You can allow customers to pay what they want, as see from here. So here's also versions. You can sell versions of your product. After that, you can just click on save and continue, and I'll see your product is saved. So now you can just publish it for people to buy it. So to publish it, you need to only click on here. After that, you need to click on payouts, and from here you can actually change the method that you can be paid. So you need to reach at least $10 to be paid for your sales. So from here, if you have $10 or more, you can add PayPal, credit card, or something, so that you can withdraw your money to that payment method. So that's it. That's actually how you sell a PDF on Gumroad. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.